doing in all the previous chapters. The temperature minus 273.15 degrees Celsius is known as absolute zero or zero Kelvin temperature. Of course, it is not possible to attain this temperature exactly by any experimental means. Now, according to Charles' law, volume of gas must become zero at zero absolute or zero Kelvin at constant pressure. But this cannot be realized practically because first of all, this temperature is unattainable, though temperature in the vicinity of zero Kelvin have been obtained. And moreover, almost all gases become liquefied before we reach a temperature near zero Kelvin. Therefore, if graphs be plotted for a fixed amount of gas at constant pressure between volume and temperature, then as shown in the following figure, straight lines are obtained at higher temperature. Each line in the above figure will be known as isobar because pressure along each line is of course different from other lines, but constant. The remarkable thing is that lines have been extrapolated in the backward direction to meet at zero Kelvin or minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. The dotted lines indicate the low temperature zone in which gases do not remain gases, rather they are liquefied. Thus, dotted lines represent hypothetical situations if gases were not liquefied. In nutshell, all gases obey Charles' law at very low pressures and high temperatures. Well, next law is C, that is Gay-Lussac's law or pressure-temperature relationship. According to this law, at constant volume, pressure of a fixed amount of a gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. Therefore, P is proportional to T, where V and N being constant, or P upon T equal to constant, or P1 upon T1 equal to P2 upon T2 equal to P3 upon T3, and so on and so forth. Thus, if a graph be plotted for a fixed amount of a gas at constant volume between its pressure P and temperature T, then it must be a straight line. This line will be called isochord. For various constant volumes, the isochords are shown in the following figure. Here again, as done in the graph between volume and temperature at constant pressure, that is Charles' law, the isochords are drawn at higher temperatures, but these are extrapolated to origin. The dashed lines represent the hypothetical situations because at such low temperatures, gases won't remain gases, rather these would be liquefied.